Hello dear students, very good morning all of you. We are learning your algebra chapter probability. In the previous video lecture we have seen some examples of random experiment of finite sample space. I hope you remember. Now today we will start with our practice set 5.2. Question number first I am reading. It's on page number 117. For each of the following experiments write sample space S and number of sample point ns. Okay, आपल्याला इथे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स दिले आहेत, त्यासाठी आपल्याला सॅम्पल स्पेस आणि नंबर ऑफ सॅम्पल स्पेस लिहायचा आहे किंवा पॉईंट्स इन सॅम्पल स्पेस. ओके, व्हॉट वी वॉन्ट टू राईट इज सॅम्पल स्पेस, that is S and N of S. Okay, so see example number 1. One coin and one die are thrown simultaneously. Okay, one coin and one die. We have to write the sample space for this. Sample space is denoted by letter S in curly bracket. One coin and one die we are talking about, so we will write it as H1, H2, H3. H denotes head, then H4, H5, H6. ओके, पहा जेव्हा आपण कॉइन टॉस करणार आहे तेव्हा दोन साइड्स असणार आहेत, दोन आउटकम्स असणार आहेत. फर्स्ट वन इज द हेड अँड सेकंड वन इज द टेल. आणि जेव्हा आपण एक डाय थ्रो करणार आहे तेव्हा त्याचे आउटकम्स हे 6 असणार आहेत. 1 2 3 4 5 6. त्याचे अप्पर फेस काही येऊ शकतो. सो वी विल राईट सॅम्पल स्पेस T1, T2, T इज द टेल, T3, T4, T5, T6. That's it. Okay, so sample space is what H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, T1, T2, T3, T4, T5 and T6. Actually you have to write it within the it. Okay, so H is the sample space and H is the head and T is the tail. And we have to write number of sample space. Number of sample space is denoted by N of S. These are 6 and these are 6, and N of S is 12. There are total 12 sample points in the given sample space. Okay, so we will move towards the next one. See, second one is 2-digit numbers are formed using digits. We'll write 2-digit number formed using, they have given us digits 2, 3 and 5. Okay, we have to form a 2-digit number by using this digit, so we will write the sample space for this. S is equal to the 2-digit number we will write. Which are they? We have to use, we will use 2 3, then 3 2, then 5 2, then 5 3, then 2 2, 2 3, it's 2 5 and it's 3 5. Okay, these are the 6. So N of S is equal to 6, which the sample space for 2-digit number formed by using the digits 2 3 and 5. These are 23 32 52 53 25 and 35. So N of S is equal to 6. This is question number 1. We have to just write the sample space for the experiment and sample point. Sample space is denoted by letter S and sample point is denoted by NS. For first experiment the sample N of S is 12 and for second N of S is 6. If you want this you can pause the video and you can write down. We will move towards the next question. See, question number 3. Question number 2. The arrow is rotated and it stops randomly on a disc Find out which color it may, on which color it may stop. In your textbook on page number 118, they have given us a disc and an arrow. If we will rotate the disc, then we have to find on which color the arrow will stop. Okay. So for this, we really can't predict on which color it will stop. There are total 6 colors given, like red, orange, yellow, blue, green and purple. So what we have to do is, we have to write all the colors in a sample space, and then we will write the number of sample space. Please refer the textbook while we are solving your practice set. So question number 2 is, we will write, there are total 6 colors on a disc. So sample space S is equal to, we will write those colors. Those colors are red, orange, then yellow, blue, green, purple. Okay, there are total 6 colors. See, sample space is the set, so you have to write in a curly bracket and you have to separate each element in a set by the comma. So there are total 6 colors on a disc. So sample space S is equal to, we have written those colors in a curly bracket, red, orange, yellow, blue, green and purple. Now we have to write number of sample points. The elements present in a sample space is called as number of sample points. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are total 6 colors. So n of x is equal to 6. Okay, it is as simple as that. See the third example. In the month of March 2019, find the days on which date is multiple of 5. See the given page of the calendar. On the page number 118, they have given us the calendar of March 2019, and what we have to find, we have to find the days on which date is multiple of 5. डेट 5चा मल्टिपल असणार आहे असे डेज आपल्याला काउंट करायचे आहेत. ओके, सो वी विल फाइंड डेट मल्टिपल ऑफ 5 इन मंथ. कोणता मंथ आहे तर मार्च 2019. कोणते कोणते आहेत पहा, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. Okay, these are the dates from the month March 2019 which are multiple of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30. These all dates are multiple of 5. Now you can look in calendar and you can write the dates, the days for the dates. For 5 it is Tuesday, so you will write dates Tuesday. After that for 10 it is Sunday, for 15 it is Friday, then after for 20 it is Wednesday, for 25 it is Monday, and for 30 it is Saturday. Okay, so days are Tuesday, Sunday, Friday, Wednesday, Monday, Saturday. These are the days of dates, these dates which are multiple of 5. Okay, so we have to write now number of sample points. N of s is how many? These 3 and these 3, 6. So n of s is equal to 6. Are you getting how we solve this? They have asked us for the date multiple of 5 in the month March 2019. Okay, so which are the dates multiple of 5? They have provided us a calendar page. From that 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 and 30, these are the dates which are multiple of 5. Okay, now we have to just write the days of this date by looking in the calendar given on in our textbook. For 5 it is Tuesday, on 10 it is Sunday, on 15 it is Friday, 20 Wednesday, 25 Monday and 30 Saturday. Now we have to write sample point, number of sample point. N of S is equal to how many sample points are there, how many elements are there, total 6. So N of S is equal to 6. We have solved question number 2 and 3. It is very easy questions. Now we will shift towards the last question of this practice set, question number 4. Before that, if you want this, you can pause the video or take the screenshot and copy down. See, the question number 4 is, from a road safety committee of 2, from 2 boys B1 and B2 and 2 girls G1 and G2, complete the following activity to write the sample space. Okay, road safety committee मध्ये तो 2 बॉईजने फॉर्म केलं, फॉर्मॅटला लिहिलं आहे B1 B2, 2 गर्ल्स G1 and G2 and we have to complete the activity to find the sample space. ठीक है, so we will complete the activity. See, first one is they have given us the committee of 2 boys. B, C, committee of 2 girls. We have to complete this. For boys it is B1 and B2, they have given in the example itself. Okay, for girls it is G1 and G2. Now the next is C, committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. If they will form the committee of 1 boy and 1 girl, what it will be? So we will write for that too, committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. So for that we can write committee of 1 boy and 1 girl. For that we can write 1 boy, so B1 and G1, 1 boy and 1 girl we are writing. Then B1 and G2, then we will write G1 and B1 and G1 and B2. Okay, so we can write this. They have written us just 4 boxes, so I have written the 4. Next is, so sample space is equal to, so sample space is equal to, in curly bracket what we will write, B1 B2, then B1 G1, B2 G2. We will write all this 4, this 1 and this one. Okay, there will be total 6. So B2 G2, B1 B2, we will write this only, so it will be easy to understand. B1 B2, this G1 and this G2, then this 4, B1 and G1. After that it is B2 and G2, comma G1 and B1, comma G1 and B2. Okay, so these are total 6. So sample space is equal to B1 B2 G1 G2. These we are writing these 6, 1, 2 and these 4. Then B1, G1, B2, G2, B1, G1, B1 and G1, B2. Okay, these are the sample space. They haven't asked or for the sample point, so we will not write that. So here we completed your practice set 5.2. It was very easy, खूप easy होता. पहा, उद्याच्या व्हिडिओ लेक्चरमध्ये आपण इव्हेंट पाहणार आहोत. आज होमवर्कमध्ये तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस सेट 5.2 कंप्लीट करणार आहात. खूप सोपा प्रॅक्टिस सेट आहे. अँड इन द नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ लेक्चर वी विल सी इव्हेंट. खूप सोपा चॅप्टर आहे, लॉजिकल आहे, आउट ऑफ मार्क्स मिळवून देणारा चॅप्टर आहे. यू हॅव टू जस्ट पुट युअर सम लॉजिक अँड इफर्ट्स while studying this. Okay, nothing is harder than this. Thank you.